positive engagement metrics, things like clicks, forwards, responses, those are all good responses, good metrics to even measure too. And I think that's more about setting your own benchmarks as well. If you suddenly, so I think with click-through rates, you want to aim for something like, I want to say between 2 and 5% can be a really good click-through rate. And that seems kind of low, but actually it's a really good rate to aim for. So that's what I would say you should be aiming for. And then maintain those unsubscribe rates. You also want to make sure that people are easily able to opt out at the same time. But I would say kind of keeping it around 1 to 2% is probably a good rate to keep your unsubscribes and monitor at that level. And also spam complaint rates. This is the key part here, because this is one of those rates that Google and Yahoo are actually looking out for